Welcome to my biggest flip ever. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is the biggest property that I've flipped thus far. We're located right here, downtown Columbia. It's a large corner lot, 6 bedrooms, 3 baths. As you can see, I got the custom marble countertops in here. We got a large oversized carport outside as well as a large deck. Property is listed at $729,900. Stay tuned. I keep you guys up to speed with all the latest activity on it, and hopefully I can get it sold soon.